afternoon all. Today we are going to learn about the optimization. So to do an optimization problem, you have to read the problem first and draw a picture if possible, and introduce the variables x, y, etc. and write an equation for the unknown quantity. Now test the critical points and endpoints in the domain of unknown and state the answer in words. So this is the procedure, and let's do some problems. The first problem is, what is the smallest perimeter of a rectangle whose area is 16 meters square? So this is a rectangle. So given that its area is 16 meters square, so let x and y be the length and breadth of given rectangle. So this is x, this is y. So given that x, y, its area is equal to 16 meters square. So this is first equation. From this we can write y is equal to 16 by x. Equation 2. Now we have to find the perimeter, smallest perimeter. For that we can write the perimeter expression. Perimeter is equal to 2 times total length, 2 times x plus y, which is equal to 2 times x plus 16 by x, which is equal to, if we take x, 2x square plus 32. Next we have to find derivative of this function. So dp by dx to find critical points. So this is quotient rule, x square. So x into derivative of 2x square plus 32 is 4x minus 2x square plus 32 into derivative of x is 1. So this is 4x square minus 2x square is 2x square minus 32 by x square. Now we have to find dp by dx equal to 0, which implies 2x square minus 32 by x square equal to 0, implies 2x square is equal to 32, implies x square is equal to 32 by 2 equal to 16, implies x is equal to plus or minus 4. Now consider, we have to find d square p by dx square. So this is dp by h is, so this is 2x square minus 32 by x square. So this is x raised to 4. X square into 2x square minus 32 is 4x. Next 2x square minus 32 into derivative of x square is 2x. So this is 4x cube minus 2x cube, minus 4x cube, 2x square into 2x square plus 64x by x raised to 4, which is equal to 64x by x raised to 4. So this cancels, so this is x cube. Now at x equal to plus 4, d square p by dx square is equal to 64 by 4 cube, which is equal to 1 greater than 0. Therefore p is minimum at x equal to 4. Now at x equal to minus 4, x equal to minus 4 is not possible for a x is length, possible for a rectangle. So only x equal to 4 we have to consider. Therefore Now smallest, therefore smallest perimeter is equal to at x equal to 4, p is equal to 2 into x plus y, which is equal to 2 into x equal to 4, y is equal to 16 by x, which is equal to 16 by 4 is equal to 4. So 2 is equal to 4 plus 4 8, 8 into 2 16 meter. Therefore smallest perimeter of the rectangle is 16 meter. Next problem is, you are planning to make an open rectangular box from a 15 by 18 inches piece of cardboard by cutting squares from the corners and folding up the sides. What are the dimensions of the box of largest volume you can make in this way? Let x centimeter be the side of each square cut off from the corners of rectangular cardboard of dimension 15 by 8 inches. So we have a rectangular box. So this is 15, length is 15, this is 8. We are cutting some x. We assume that this is x, this is x from എല്ലാ സ്ക്വയറിൽ നിന്നും കട്ട് ചെയ്തു. So therefore height of the box is, നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്ന ബോക്സിന്റെ height will be, this is x, height of the box is equal to x centimeter, length will be, length is equal to രണ്ട് സൈഡിൽ നിന്ന് x കട്ട് ചെയ്തു, so 15 minus 2x centimeter, and breadth will be 8 minus 2x. Therefore volume is equal to, volume of the box is equal to, the rectangular body ആണ്, so this is equal to LBH, which is equal to 15 minus 2x into 8 minus 2x into x. നമ്മൾ ഇതിനെ എക്സ്പാൻഡ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിയുമ്പോൾ 15 minus 2x into 8 minus 2x, this is 15 into 8, 120 minus 30x minus 16x plus 4x square into x. സിംപ്ലിഫൈ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ആദ്യം എക്സ് ക്യൂബിൻ്റെ ടേം എഴുതാം, 4x ക്യൂബ് minus 30x minus 46x, so 46x square plus 120. Now we have to maximize this volume, so first we have to find dv by dx to find the, which is equal to 12x square minus 92x 120x plus 120. Now dv by dx equal to 0 implies 12x square minus 92x plus 120 equal to 0. We can cancel with only 2. This is 6x square minus 92 is 46. We can divide with 4. So 3x square by minus 23x plus 30 equal to 0 implies x is equal to, we can solve 23 b minus b, 23 plus or minus 23 square minus 4 into 3, 12 into 30, 360 by 6, which is equal to, the answer is 5/3 or x is equal to 6. So here in this x, our length is, our breadth is 8. Breadth is 8 minus 2x. So breadth of box is equal to 8 minus 2x. So 8 minus 6, 2 into 6 is not, therefore x equal to 3 is inadmissible. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ രണ്ട് ഇത് എടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞ് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ 6 എടുത്തു കഴിഞ്ഞ് x equal to 6 is 8 minus 2 into 6 12. 8 minus 12 minus 4 ന്ന് ബ്രെഡ്ത്ത് വരും, അത് പാസ് പറ്റില്ല. അതുകൊണ്ട് therefore x equal to 5/3 is the height. Now we have to find d square p by dx square. We have to check whether at this point this will be, if it is maximum, d square p will be by dx square will be less than 0. So 24x minus 92. At x equal to 5/3, d square p by dx square is equal to 24 into 5/3 minus 92. So 40 minus 92 is minus 52 less than 0. Therefore v is, this is v, therefore v is maximum at x equal to 5/3. And so volume, നമ്മൾ x is height, so length is equal to 15 minus 2x, which is equal to 15 minus 2 into 5/3. 45 minus 10, 35/3. Height is equal to 8 minus 2x, not height, breadth. Which is equal to 8 minus 2 into 5/3 is equal to 24 minus 10, 14. So maximum volume is equal to at x equal at length is equal to 35/3, breadth is equal to 14/3, height is equal to 5/3, all in inches. So this is inches, this is inches, so this is inches. Now third problem is, a rectangle is to be inscribed in a semicircle of radius 2. What is the largest area the rectangle can have and what are its dimensions? Let ABCD be a rectangle inscribed in a semicircle with center O and radius 2. അതാണിപ്പോൾ വരച്ചേക്കുന്നത്. ഒരു സെമി സർക്കിൾ വരച്ചു, അതിനകത്തേക്ക് ഒരു ABCD എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ റെക്ടാങ്കിൾ ഇട്ടു, അതിൻ്റെ സെൻറ്റർ എടുത്തു, റേഡിയസ് 2. Now let x be the length, we can take this OB as x be OB. From figure OB is equal to, from figure alla geometrical or geometry, OB is equal to OA. Therefore, length of the rectangle is equal to equal to 2x. Now, let y be the breadth of the rectangle. So this is y. Therefore, y is equal to square root of 2 square minus x square by using Pythagoras relation. That is y is equal to square root of 4 minus x square. Now we have to what is the largest area? We have to maximize the area. So A area is equal to length into breadth, which is equal to length of the rectangle is 2x and breadth is square root of 4 minus x square. Now we have to maximize this function. So dA by dx is equal to, we can use the product rule. So 2x into 1 by 2 into square root of 4 minus x square into minus 2x plus square root of 4 minus x square into 2. This 2 cancels. So this is 2x by square root of 4 minus x square minus 2x plus 2 into square root of 4 minus x square. You can take out this 4 minus x square common. So this is minus 2x. This is 2x square. X into x minus 2x square plus 2 into 4 minus x square. When we simplify this, minus 2x square minus 2x square, this is minus 4x square plus 8 by square root of 4 minus x square. When the area is maximum, this will be equal to 0. So dA by dx equal to 0 implies minus 4x square plus 8 by square root of 4 minus x square equal to 0. Minus x square equal to 0, which implies minus 4x square plus 8 equal to 0, which implies minus 4x square equal to minus 8, implies x square is equal to 8 by 4 is equal to 2. That is x equal to plus or minus root 2. But 2x is the length of rectangle. So therefore x equal to minus root 2 is inadmissible. We can't take the negative value. Now we can find d square by dx square. Which is equal to dA by dx is minus 4 square plus 8 by 4 square root of 4 minus x square. So 4 minus x square into square root of 4 minus x square into numerator is minus 4x minus 8x. Minus 4x square plus 8 by plus 8 into 1 by 2 into root of 4 minus x square into minus 2x. Which is equal to, we can take out this 4 minus x square as LCM. So denominator becomes 4 minus x square raised to 3 by 2. So this term is 4 minus x square into minus 8x minus, so this is will be plus 2x into minus 4x square plus 8. So this is minus 32x plus 8x cube minus 8x cube plus 16x by 4 minus x square raised to 3 by 2. So this is minus 16x by 4 minus x square raised to 3 by 2. When x equal to root 2, so d square a by dx square is less than 0. Therefore x equal to root 2, at x equal to root 2 a is maximum. Now at x equal to root 2, y is equal to square root of 4 minus x square, which is equal to square root of 4 minus 2 square is root 2 square, which is equal to 2, which is equal to 4 minus 2 is root 2. Therefore maximum area is equal to length is 2x into y, which is equal to 2 root 2 into root 2 is equal to 4 centimeter square.